Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so if you haven't liked, subscribe, please do subscribe. Turn on notifications, drop a comment. What else? Yeah, basically. So yesterday I wasn't able to finish up the pranks, yeah, because I got caught up with some other stuff. So right about now we're gonna call some other people. We're going to, look for their trouble, wind them up. Alright guys, it's Wind Up with GbagaunMuncher. See you after this. Peep. Boom. Hello guys, you're welcome back to Wind Up with GbagaunMuncher. So apparently while I went off, KieKie tried calling back. So I'm gonna try and call her back right now. Let's see if we can successfully prank her. Prank her. Let's pause prank her. Let go. Go to retire.
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, madam.
Yes, good afternoon.
How are you today, ma'am?
Hi, thank you for the line.
My name is Dr. John. Hello.
Okay.
My name is Dr. John Okonofwa, Chief Virology CDC from the Secretariat.
Okay.
Yeah, this call is in regard to an evacuation order we have to pick you up to the isolation center, ma'am.
You have an evacuation order. Where do you want the evacuation?
Okay, let me keep you up to speed, ma'am. We have a patient here we are working with over the past week, and while doing some investigation, we were trying to do some contact tracing, and this patient claims to have been in contact with you.
Who is the person?
That is confidential, madam.
You want to evacuate people there. I want them to let that come back.
Madam, this is just precautionary measures, just to make sure that you haven't.
There's nothing like preparation there. If you want to evacuate, come with the person that has come in contact with that you want to evacuate.
That will be reviewed.
If I come in contact with that person, that means that I'm close to that person. I'm in contact because I've not been going out for a very long time now. Who is the person? I want to know.
That will be revealed to you, madam, over the paperwork.
What is the power? What will start the power?
If you are available, ma'am, we would like to send the team to you within the next 2 hours.
They tell you my location.
I will need you to provide some information for me right now so I can transfer it to the
Okay.
appropriate quarters. Your full name, ma'am, your blood group, and your email address.
You don't know my full name?
No, ma'am, we just have Mrs. Adeaga.
I'm sorry. My name is not Mr. Yaga. You have the wrong number.
Mrs. Bukumi Adeaga or something.
That's not my name.
Okay, but we were given this number by this patient, ma'am. None of these names is yours, ma'am. None of these names belongs to you, ma'am.
No, not enough.
Okay, if we may just inquire, any symptoms, coughing, sneezing?
No, I'm not calling. I'm not saying.
Okay, ma'am, just for precautionary measures, would you mind we sending the team over just to take samples and forward it to the lab?
I'm trying to make this call very serious. Because the only way I can take this call very serious is for you to tell me the person that gave me my number. That's the way I can take it.
We would reveal that to you over the paperwork, madam. That is not a problem, but over this medium, it is not just against our.
I can't explain myself to you. It's not who I'm exposed to you. It's a mistake.
I didn't get that, madam.
The only way I can disclose myself to you is if you disclose to me who gave you my information. I think that I have a right to know that.
Yes, madam. That is what I'm saying. Over this, because this call is recorded. Over this medium, it is not allowed for us to
You have to go and just report. When once you are going to police attention, it comes back. But with this running policy, I'm afraid I cannot cooperate.
Okay, madam.
Yeah, well,
Would it be okay if we get your information from other sources, probably the investigators or something, and send the team over?
yes, can go and investigate.
Okay, madam. In the meantime, please, I'd like to make sure that you maintain social distancing and takes lots of water. If you have access to fruit, please take lots of fruits. And also, we'll be expecting a feedback from us. Also, we'll be expecting that you send us your location. Please do cooperate with us, madam.
Okay, and then
All right, ma. Have a wonderful evening.
I need to.
You are a mumu man.
Okay. So,
You are a
towards
mumu
the
man.
ending, I began to say nonsense because I had too much. I had so much laughter in me. I began to stutter. Okay, so successfully, I was able to prank KieKie. Yeah. So we're gonna we're gonna call somebody else. While KieKie's call came in, so I'm gonna try and call her back.